Let's start moving. Just get the body warm. 10 minutes, natural movement, low impact, just to boost our mood, elevate our energy. I realize I like to repeat myself, but movement makes me happy, makes me much more grateful for everything I have rather than wanting more. Let's build real gratitude into this practice today. Gratitude for every movement, every moment. What is our life? What does our day look like? Well, no matter what the challenge is, whatever the obstacle that we face, that we can be grateful for it. Swing the arms a little side to side. Bring your breath into each movement as well. Connect to the breath. Let's just get warm. We're going to challenge ourselves in a few different positions today. We just want to move dynamically. You're just going to honor what you can do. Don't compare yourself to me or anyone else. If you can go a little bit deeper, great. If not, great also. Shake that out. Shake the arms. Little step back and come down into a curtsy squat. Go as deep as you can. This can look like this, where you're just stepping back. Just get those arms. Yes. But what if we gave every single bit of our attention into this one movement? Ooh, balance, amazing strength, mobility. When we move naturally, we're incorporating all those aspects into it. But the real good stuff is when we get our attention locked in, laser-like attention to things we do. And every movement we see with awe. Come on. If you can get that knee down. Whew, brilliant. Ooh. Couple more. Again, it can just be here. Last one. Just maybe you sink just a tiny bit deeper than you have yet. And up. Okay. Let's go one leg and drive that knee up. Straight arms. Fingers wide. Really. Notice the hands. Two more. Other side. Drive that knee as high as you can. Step it back as far as possible as well. Breathe. I think I can. Yes. Gratitude really is a practice, not a feeling. And I almost fell down on that one. We're going to go to an isometric exercise, right? Great for lowering blood pressure, as we've talked about. So, just a squat hold. Looks differently for each of us. If you just have the tiniest, that's fine. Maybe you're here. Maybe you can sink just a little bit deeper. I'm coming all the way into a deep squat. I'm going to move a little bit also. Great for mobility in the ankles, the hips. Again, if you're up a little bit higher, terrific. Just hold it. Just be where you are. Honor what you can do. I was doing this with some fourth graders yesterday, having a laugh, trying to just teach them that if they can be doing this when they're 90, they'll be happier than having tens of millions of dollars in the bank account. not sure they exactly believed me, but we were having a good laugh. And they asked me, I said, why are you so happy all the time? It's like, well, it's nice that you think that. But ultimately, it's just a choice. We get to choose. Am I going to be happy today? Or am I going to be unhappy? No matter what, we get to decide. I know I get that wrong a lot, but continue to work towards it. Not letting anything outside of us affect what's going on the inside, including the discomfort I get at the end of holding that movement. Let's shake it out. Grateful for the challenges. That's the real sweet spot. Shake that out. Shake the arms out. Ooh. Okay. My most favorite move. Jumping jack. If this is not accessible to you, a step jack is wonderful. You can really reach it out. You can stretch the body, go in dynamic ways. I'm going right in just a traditional jumping jack. This move always makes me happy. Connect to your breath. And again, honor what you can do. Maybe we move laterally a bit. Almost. Yes. And 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Shake it out. It's all the bouncing. Just gets the whole body going. It's just so great. Okay, just move around your mat or your space. You don't need a mat. I just keep it just to lessen the noise a little bit. It's pretty early here. Kids don't like when I wake them up in the mornings too much. Okay, let's build some balance. I'm going to step. Little tree posture. Get out as far as you can. Some flexibility. And then just hold it. If you're touching a little bit, great. You do you. Just get that nice, brilliant stretch across and hold. If we can gauge the core stability. I'll be all right. You got this. Couple more. Ooh, actually, yeah. Let's pick up the pace a little bit here. Let's do a few more of these. This is feeling good. Really reach it across. Hold. Again, touch the ground, fine. Just here. Brilliant. You're moving. Move one side, you incorporate a little balance move. Last one. Can you hold it for an extra moment? Oh. Okay, lovely. Get your arms like you're pulling a rope down. And a little march in the feet. We're walking. Build some strength in the shoulders. Just pull that rope. Grab it and pull. Head up high. Let's get the heart going. If it's not already. Movements like this really work my shoulders. I get very tired shoulders quickly. Oh, hey, I can honor that too. I can honor the soreness, the tiredness. I get to feel that. How amazing to feel all the pain, all the emotions, all of it. Yes, and, ooh, yeah, hugs. Just move. Ooh. Let's just side to side a little bit more quickly. Come up on the balls of your feet. Side to side. Pump the arms. Quick feet. Quick feet. Come on. We're almost done. 3, 2, 1. Vamos. 20 seconds of gratitude. You decide. Grateful for the beating of my heart. Grateful for the tingling in my fingertips. Grateful for this day. I'm grateful to you for continuing to show up. I truly do appreciate it. I love doing this. Let's just keep it going. Comment, job done. Inspire others, inspire me. I'll see you tomorrow.